Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned Manager's Demo 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum with a 700A package. Now the exterior color is a magnetic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights with a pair of fog lights and two tow hooks with our engine block heater connection. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aftermarket aluminum wheels wrapped in our general tires, as well as we have our powered running boards, as well as our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our twin panel moonroof. And this F-150 also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch. We also have a spare fifth wheel underneath, as well as our reverse sensors are paired to our backup camera, as well as we have our LED taillights. We also have a power release tailgate with a tailgate step inside, and inside our box we have a spray and bed liner with our LED lighting and our tie-down points, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At our interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as we have our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column, we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, our automatic headlamp dial, and our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings on the left. And over at the right, we have our hands-free entertainment and volume controls. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage door opener points, and our beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have our beautiful leather seating with our platinum stamping, as well as we have a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 12,674 kilometers. And over at our Sync 3-inch touchscreen display, we have our audio control, climate control, including heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity, hands-free voice activation, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And down below, we also have our controls for our Sync display, and just underneath, we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as air conditioning and heated seats for both driver and passenger. And just below, we have our dual smart charging USB ports, as well as we have our console shift leather, which has our manual select option of 10 different speeds, with our dual cup holders with ambient lighting, and a center console with loads of storage underneath, and 2 cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy loads of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter with dual USB ports and an AC outlet, as well as dual heated seats. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with tons of legroom and loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.